Hi, Reese from RMIT again, and today we're going to be talking about tax and everything you need to know about it. To simply say tax is way too complex to understand is simply not true. Just like the fact that I need to wear glasses. See? Nice. Tax, in simple terms, is a way for citizens of any country to pay their government. Now you may think, where does this money go? Well, the money usually goes towards things like education, so that may mean universities, TAFEs, public schools, public libraries, welfare, so that means Centrelink, health, so that means it provides you with Medicare, defence, the Australian Defence Force, roads and railways, so the construction of new roads and new railways, and public broadcasting, so that means the ABC. So how do you get taxed? Tax is usually paid by the income you get from work, so income tax essentially. And this depends on how much you get paid, your citizenship status, and your age. So, before you start work, you need to get a tax file number so that your employer can charge you the correct amount of tax. You can apply for a tax file number through the Australian Taxation Office website. From there, you can submit it through Aussie Post and you can expect it within 28 days. Also bear in mind, getting a tax file number is free. But your tax file number needs to be kept secure, just like you would your bank account details. So please, keep it secure and only tell people who need to know. So tax is a word that is usually thrown around a lot in the middle of the year, particularly around the June-July period. So you'll notice a lot of end of financial year sales going on, or EOFI, what? I don't know. This is because you'll pay tax from the 1st of July all the way through to the 30th of June. And then the 30th of June is the end of the financial year. And then it starts again on the 1st of July. This is when tax is thrown back at you essentially. In knowing what the financial year is from the 1st of July all the way to the 30th of June, from the 1st of July onwards, you can officially lodge a tax return. So a tax return is where citizens lodge your income earnings for the year, along with appropriate expenses, and when it's lodged, the tax office gives you a refund if you've paid too much tax that you're liable for. You can do this through multiple ways. You can lodge this yourself through the MyGov website, if you link yourself up with the Australian Tax Office. Once you've linked yourself up with the Australian Tax Office, they usually know how much tax you've been charged through your tax file number, and that your employer has sent a payment summary to the taxation office, so they can determine if you've paid too much tax. All you need to do is just fill out the minor details, and it will only take you about half an hour to an hour to fill out. Or you can do it through a registered tax agent who can help you with the minor details or the major details that you want to get through to get a larger tax return. And if you do get a larger tax return, bear in mind that, you know, I'm a nice guy. I love you. I've always loved you, and I could use a break.